home. I'd live here.
Welcome to mi casa.
Mi casa es su casa? Bueno. Oh. Bueno, huh? Turn on light. No, that's the fan. There's no lights. Here's lights.
No lights here.
Have you ever noticed? Oh, that's not even plugged in. There's like so limited lights everywhere we go. Oh, it's so bright in the back room.
Where?
Smells good in here.
It does.
It's pleasant. I think I like it so far. There was some mixed reviews, and I was kind of scared.
Oh my gosh, look, they have an actual table.
An actual table we can sit in.
Yeah.
Oh my god, and look at actual mugs
Kitchen.
and coffee and
Right?
same fridge. Nope. Oh my gosh, look at it. She's not afraid of giving towels.
Oh, look at that. There's towels.
Lots of towels. Even more towels.
And an air mattress.
This is nice. Oh, the bed's the bed's nice. Oh, in the bathroom. When you travel different areas of the world,
You see a lot of different things.
it's a lot. There's some things that are standard in the U.S. isn't quite the same in other countries. Feel the bed, but you get kind of used to,
Yeah, that's better.
you know, as long as it's clean and. I think I like this better. What's out back?
Yard.
That's your pool. Oop.
There's a step there. We can sit out here and watch the sunset
Oh
over the
my
mountain.
Look at that cobweb.
Wow, that's a big one.
There's a hot tub everybody can share.
Look,
Where?
just around. Oh, there's somebody else checking in.
Wow, this is really cute. Look at this view. Unload?
Very good looking.
Yeah, I'll take it. I have no choice. They're gonna make me.
Yeah.
Oh, look at there's Jim over there.
Hey.
The hot tub. This is nice. Do you know the code?
No.
Oops.
Got it.
Oh shit. Ooh. As I fall and die. Is the back code the same?
Huh?
Is there a door? Back code on the door?
There's a keypad.
I hope it's the same one.
I hope so too.
A lizard. Oh. Ugh. You didn't go that way, did you?
No.
You went this way?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this amazing view.
Wow.
I went over by the crazy rooster.
Yeah.
He's just eating.
He's not crazy. He didn't chase me or anything.
No.
No.
Pretty.
It's really pretty.
You're the cookie.
Uh-huh. I'm ready to hear him all night long.
Oh yeah.
You want to go and check out the top?
Yeah, let's
No
do
one's there?
that.
Yeah. Is this the way up? Or the
That-
other side?
That's one way, and then there's on both ends. There's way up.
Does it go all the way up?
Oh, there's stairs that weave up through there.
Does it? I
Yeah.
don't know. This one has a gate. Ooh, shoot. I'm dying.
Yeah, the other
here.
one has a gate too.
Does it?
They have gates. So yeah.
Okay. Oops. My knees are crunching. There's a shared space on the 3rd floor.
No elevator.
Is this the way though? I think you go the other way so you don't cross people's.
Okay.
Am I right?
I don't know.
Because I saw stairs the other way. Oh God. I have to take a break now. Oof. You want to go up or you want to do it later? Here you go, this.
Alright, everybody. It's me!
Yeah, it's this time.
So over there is a crazy rooster.
Yeah.
And another little watch area. You can look out over the island.
Oh, gotcha.
Gato! Ooh,
Did it just hit you?
rough. No. Rough looking gato. They eat the mice and the bugs and rats.
Okay, one more.
Wow, that's a view right there. There he is. Ooh. What's over here? Furniture. Patio furniture to sit on. Little cages. Wow. I wonder if that's a jackfruit tree because there's a little one right there and there's one up there. I think there's a jackfruit tree over there. They got little patio furniture on both sides. They got a grill.
Yeah, it's this side. On this side is a shared space. There's the ocean.
There's the ocean. See, is that cat gonna get messed up by a rooster?
Good. And then there's a grill to share.
That is an awesome view.
Oh, there's a pretty good view down behind our little apartment.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking those might be jackfruit.
Which ones?
Those right there. There's a big, two big ones up there. They look like jackfruits.
No view over here, really.
No,
From our chairs, there is a good one.
right over that way. That's our chair spot. Not really ours, I guess. Anybody that wants to sit there.
Oh, look at that rooster. I think it's for our room. Right off
But
the
you
back
can-
of our room.
Hear the coqui really good.
That's not coqui.
No, hang on. Whenever that bird shuts up.
Uh-huh. They're all just right now.
Right now,
Making
it's
so
a
much
mix
noise,
with the
yeah.
birds and the coqui. And it's really pretty up here.
It's cute. I like it. I'm very happy with the apartment too.
Yeah.
The other one was nice because it had the pool, but inside space was like very lacking.
Yeah.
And I think they knew with having a private pool they could do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. The pool was definitely their selling point. Oh. Did you make it over to the corner over there?
Yeah.
What did you think of that one?
What do you mean, that one?
Over there?
Oh, I was afraid because the rooster.
Oh,
Is there an overlook?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe the rooster would come after me. So, something was in there.
There's that rooster down in there. Oh, he's got...
Oh, they even have seating out here.
They've got a babies down in there, I think.
Oh.
Him and his girlfriend are down there.
Yeah, it's okay. This isn't really the greatest.
No, this is kind of a little cubby hole that they've cleared out. And you can see the where Luquillo and Fajardo is. That side of the island.
No, the Atlantic side. Caribbean side, I think, is on the other side of the island.
Okay. Okay.
I think. We'll go look that in.
Yeah, we'll look that up.
We could be totally wrong.
We could be.
One of us is right, one of us is wrong.
Yep. Got to.
Because I thought, I don't know, I thought when you traveled, when we watched the poop,
Yep.
when you traveled across, it was,
Oh, I hit the wrong buttons.
what did you do?
I just put in the wrong code.